Hey folks, it's Mike from the Pen Outpost. Got something new for you today. Colorverse released Season 7, Eye on the Universe. We got 12 new inks in 2 bottle sets in their familiar boxes. One's a 65 mil, one's a 15. And they have some interesting qualities in some of these inks. A little bit of shading here and there, a little bit of sheen, a little bit of shimmer. Some of them do 2 or even all 3 of those things. So let's see what we can get out of these 2. The first 2. One is called Hubble. One is called HST, which stands for the Hubble Space Telescope. We got a red, and categorize this as a blue, but it's a gray blue. So the red is a gold sheener. So we're going to see if we can pull that. Let's see if I can get some, whoops. I'll get some heavier dots up here. Get some of that sheen to come through. Hubble. And then the second color, let me clean my dib here real quick. HST, Hubble Space Telescope. That swab didn't cooperate quite as well as I would have liked it to, but that's all right. See if we can get a little color developing in that corner. All right, we'll give those 2 a minute and see what happens. Okay, let's take a look. Clean, narrow line off the nib. Whoops, sorry, getting a little too close. Nice gold sheen there. Pretty consistent color all the way down the swab. Not super wet. It was a pretty fast drying ink, except that super heavy spot. And then HST is a nice, I mean, I call that consistent off the nib. It doesn't shade very much in my opinion, but maybe in a different nib it might. But there are some variation of color in here. You get some darkness down here and there. It's a grayish blue with a tiny, tiny lean towards the green. Whoops. And I think it could be an everyday ink. I think it's dark enough for that, but I mean, you know, everybody's definition is different, but anyway. Colorverse Hubble and Colorverse HST. All 12 of these new inks are available in 3 milliliter samples. However, the caveat is that the small 15 ml bottles run out faster because we can only get 4 or 5 samples out of them. So, and we can't buy those separately, which means these only are available when these are available. So we call this just limited quantity available. That's what that means. We don't have as many of those as we do of those. So when they sell out, it's a waiting game until we are able to open another pack. So 3 milliliter samples and a 65 and 15 milliliter bottle set at the Pen Outpost on eBay and thepenoutpost.com. Thanks for watching.